In this video, I will guide you on how to buy tickets on SeatGeek. First, open up any web browser and search for SeatGeek. Then, scroll down and find this website, SeatGeek.com. Make sure to log into your account. If you do not have an account, you can create one. Once you're signed in, use the search bar or browse through the available categories to find the event you want to attend. Select your event from the search results to open the ticket page. Next, browse the available seats using the interactive seat map. You can sort ticket by price, best value, or other available filters to find the option that suits you. Tap on the ticket you want to purchase to view its details. Review the seat location, price, and any other available information. If everything looks good, you want to go to checkout. On the checkout page, review your order. If you have a promo code, enter it in the appropriate field and apply it. Now confirm your contact information, then tap on Continue to Billing. Enter your payment details and complete your purchase. Once your order is successful, your ticket will be added to SeatGeek account, where you can access them anytime before the event. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.